Hey everyone, it's Chris at Garage Times, just checking in with you up here in northern Michigan. Huge ice storm came through. Some of the guys have been around a long time. This is the worst it's been in 50 or 60 years. Lost power. I guess the whole service area in northern Michigan's down. So yeah, I just figured got trees down everywhere. Man, hopefully everybody's okay. That's for sure. It's like this ice is super thick. Just like destroys everything. All that stuff. All busted stuff back there. It's crazy. Well, you guys have a good one. See ya.